So today we are making it's a vinyl sticker for the kids' lunch boxes. So
Shadow is a flea.
you like it? It says.
I know you're talking. That's fine, but
Do you like it?
turn the heater on under your table.
I have a good night.
Hey girls, are you ready for my surprise? Wanna see?
Okay, let's close our eyes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Come here. Let's go in the floor. Hi, Dudu. Hi,
Mom, the
Nana.
little one is quiet.
It's so good.
Mom, the little one.
Oh, let's look at it here so the baby can see us. And open it. Open it together. Yomi, look. Yomi. It's a special. It's a lunchbox. It's your lunchbox, Yomi. And I'm gonna put your name in it. So I got the kids' lunchboxes. And here are the designs that I'm gonna put in there. It's Naomi and Shiloh's design, so let's put it there now. So I also got these bottles for their juices, and these are the lunchboxes. These are the designs. Try to open this and check what's inside. So here's the inside. It's really nice, so you can remove it. It's really good quality. It's heavy and comes with a spoon, a fork spoon. So since I like it, we're gonna put this thing on top of it. I think it just fits just right too. I just gotta cut the edges a little bit. So I'm trying to cut it so it will fit. Like trace it really good and measure it first before I could do this. So I'll just show you the finished product later. So today we're making a little top cover, or it's a vinyl sticker for the kids' lunch boxes. So I made this design for Naomi and Shiloh. This is the design. Naomi likes ballerina and Shiloh likes mermaid. Naomi, look! I don't touch it yet. It's still, I think it's kind of wet, but the ballerina is for Naomi.
Mom, do you choose a ballerina?
And the mermaid is for Ate Shiloh. And we're gonna stick it on something. I made a surprise for you. I'm gonna stick it on when it arrives. I got it on Amazon.
What does this say?
Today is Wednesday, so that's it. I'll show you later in a little bit when I stick them in the...
Mom, can I choose a photo?
What I do right now is I'm gonna laminate this thing.
Mom?
So we're gonna laminate it. Oops.
Yes.
So I just finished laminating it, and I've already trimmed the sides. I'm gonna trim the last piece, this side, and then if you can see, you could already flip it. You can open it because I've already trimmed the other side. So you remove the cardboard that you put in the middle. Oops. See, there's the cardboard. And then you can just trim this side. So there you go. I used one piece of laminate to laminate this for my daughter. This is just her practice paper, so she could use a dry erase board to write her name, to write her letters, to write her letters. And I laminated this piece. This is a vinyl sticker that I'm gonna put in the lunchbox. So that's it. So here are the vinyl stickers that I made for the kids. I'm just going to stick it on their lunch boxes. They're laminated.
to put it
lunchboxes.
on, Mom. Mom, can you put
Wait, what's happening to me? Where am I?
Thank you, bud. Hey, don't write on the back. Give me that. So we're gonna peel it out. Peeled out. And I'm gonna paste it.
There's a chance to save their lives. That's why.
Here it is. Yeah, two.
Hi, no.
The fancy candies. And I try it. And Abe's sitting there like flailing like a banshee in my lap.
This mythical location attracts millions of tourists and Florida Uni deserves to be on it. Number 10, Lake